If you are unable to find or share recently clicked photos on WhatsApp, Facebook, or other apps on your iPhone, this issue often relates to app permissions and photo access settings. So let's look at scenario and fix the issue. You can see I will open WhatsApp on my iPhone. And when I try to send photo to someone in iPhone and I am only getting few of them as shown here. I am not getting recently clicked photos and videos. To get all, then stay on photo preview page and click on manage as shown here. Next click on change settings. Here just tab on photos. Under photo library option just select fully access. And now onward you will get recent photos and video to select on WhatsApp. You can do same for other apps as well. Now go and check and you will get all photos as shown here. If you want to do for other apps at a time, then go to Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tab on Privacy and Security option. Here you will get list of apps. Find the app you want to share photos and tab on it. Then select Full Access Settings if you want to allow to select all photos. You can do for other apps as well. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.